Instead of recycling your aluminum cans, have you ever considered using them for an art project? This video will demonstrate the first part of the marine debris activity, Don't Teach Your Trash to Swim, where we will crush an aluminum can in such a way that you can decorate it to resemble a fish. This activity is a great way to teach your students about the impacts of litter and provides a creative way to use would-be trash so that it doesn't wind up in our waterways. You will need the following for this step of the activity: a clean, empty aluminum can, a hard surface to flatten your can, and sturdy shoes. We recommend wearing closed-toed shoes. First, rinse and clean an empty aluminum can. You can use any size. For this video, we are using mini-sized cans. Next, hold the can long ways and bend both ends away from each other. For example, bend the top part of the can away from you while you bend the bottom part towards you. The last step is to flatten or crush your can so that it resembles the basic body of a fish. To do this step, place your can on the ground on either side. Next, you will want to crush the can with your foot wearing those sturdy shoes, using a rolling motion from heel to toe. Start at one end of the can with your heel and roll forward so that the can is flattened. Now you are ready to decorate your can so that it looks like a fish. You can use an assortment of fake flower petals and leaves for fins, googly eyes, paint pens, and spray paint to add color. You can create an ornament or display your fish in other ways. The full activity can be found by visiting the South Carolina Sea Grant Consortium's education webpage.